Hi everyone, finally we got the Chainsaw Man set with two CSMR possible hits, Makima and Denji in the Chainsaw Man form. Maybe we get lucky, let's see. Here are the rarities. CSMR, one CSMR and over 100 displays. Gotta be a rough challenge, but we try it. If you want to have a look at the CSMRs, you can get those two. Either Makima or Denji in Chainsaw Man mode. I guess I don't have to tell you that everyone wants to pull Makima. Let's see if we can get there. The 8 SPs are looking like this. They're okay. Like the background foiling, not always the best. They could have been done something more, I guess. So let's get into the opening now. First hit, super rare. Wow. Look at this foiling. This is crazy. Looks really cool. And the hand sign. Nice. Oh, next hit. What is it? Super rare Denji. I really like the background foiling. Let's check our two hits. We have a super rare Denji and a super rare Aki. Wow, this card looks, I don't know, it just looks like a boss. Of course, would be great if we could have pulled Power SR or Makima SR. Maybe I'm gonna open one more display. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you on my next video. Bye.